channel. Today we're going to talk about how do I partially close a position, right? So let's say that I will put a random trade right here on the chart. Let me change this lot size and long, not too much. Okay, let's say 0.1. It's okay. We just place a buy trade on the chart. I will do a double click right here because I want to set a stop loss. Let's say that a stop loss below from this amount right here and the TP above there like this. Okay, perfect. Right now I have this trade running on the chart right here, and let's say that I want to close a partial. So I want to close, let's say the 60% of this trade. So I want to close a lot size of amount of 0.06, for example. What I have to do right here is bring the mouse right here and do the double click. Once this window opens, what I have to do right here is just change this volume right here, right? So I want to close the 0.06 lot of this trade right here. And once I set that amount right here, I have to come back down here and just make close, right? You will see that this amount right here below here will change and will be 0.04, right? Let's do it. Let's close it right now. Close. Perfect. Can you see that the volume right here has changed, right? 0.04. Let's go to the history and check if the amount is correct. Yes, the amount actually that of the trade we are close right here is 0.006 of 0.1, right? So this is a simple way to close a partial on the MT4 and MT5 platform. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and see you at the next video. Ciao!